Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is an all-day clean with me, so it is packed with speed cleaning motivation to help you tackle your homes as well. Do go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for lots of motivation every single week, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I've started off by stripping the bed because it is laundry day, and I always like to do it first thing in the morning, especially when the bed needs doing. So I'm just going to strip the bed off, get that in the washing machine so I can crack on with the rest of the house. To put it down for a while takes ages, then I'm falling down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking. So I'm still absolutely loving this scent booster that I picked up from Aldi. It's super affordable and it just smells beautiful. It's definitely a more affordable version of the Unstoppables. So if you are on a budget like I am, I definitely recommend having a look in Aldi because they've got so many different options and everything that smells lush. I really hate to wave goodbye. I know it's crazy, but I can't help it. When I'm falling down, I'm falling down. I'm thinking of you every day, a million times, hoping you hear me. Tell me you do. Just when I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. So I usually just leave the washing up to air dry and come back to it later once I've finished doing the rest of the house. But lately I'm just trying to dry it up and get it out the way as quickly as possible. I don't like leaving it on the side anymore, so sometimes I will, depending on what else I've got going on. But most of the time I am going to just try and dry it up and get it put away, especially on this day, because the first thing I wanted to do was clean down the sink with this Dettol spray and a minky and just give it a good clean. So once I've finished giving it a good clean, I'm going to go back in with the white vinegar spray using a dry microfiber cloth and just give it a good wipe over, buffing it up and making it super shiny. Next I'm going to go in and fill the sink with some hot water and some Zoflora. I love doing this nowadays. I do it all the time just to wipe down all of the sides and cabinets, but also filling the sink up with hot water and Zoflora just makes the whole downstairs smell absolutely beautiful, and I love it. So today I'm using the Winter Spice as it's a nice wintry video today, and I thought it'd go perfectly with the nice cozy theme that I want my house to have today. So I'm just going to go around and wipe down all the sides, all the cabinets and drawers, and just make everything smell beautiful. So next up, I'm going to go back in with my white vinegar spray and wipe down all of the handles on the cupboards and the drawers. Now this is something that I picked up from Mrs. Hinch. I absolutely love her and I get so many tips from her. But if you have anything that's mirrored, any chrome or high gloss cabinets like I do, I definitely recommend you use the white vinegar spray. It's absolutely amazing at buffing things up and making things super shiny. So that's why I go around doing this to all the handles, just to make them really nice and shiny. I also do it to the gloss finish on my cabinets sometimes, so I definitely do recommend using this white vinegar spray if you haven't tried it before.
Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high, but I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast?
So once I've finished the kitchen, as you can see, it is time to start on the living room. It's an absolute state today, so I need to whiz round, give it a good tidy, dust and hoover, and just get it looking a lot more put together.
Beyond our separate ways as we fade into grey, but I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late. I look into your eyes, I see we're out.
So the living room never actually takes me as long as I think it's going to, but it does look really daunting before I get started. It's definitely one of those rooms that looks the worst because of the amount of cushions I've got, the throw blankets, and clothes just get thrown all over the place. So it always looks really bad, but once I actually go in and give it a good tidy, it really doesn't take long at all. And I think this goes for quite a few things when we're cleaning our homes. It's very daunting before we get started, but we could actually really surprise ourselves at how quick we can get it done if we actually just start. So if you have a project that you need to get done, an area in your house that you need to get decluttered and it's a little bit daunting, just crack on with it, because I can guarantee it isn't going to take you as long as you think it's going to. So So now the living room's all done and it smells beautiful. It's time to take the laundry out and hang that upstairs, and I love hanging the laundry now. I think I've said it so many times, but I don't think I could say it too often because I absolutely love it. It literally makes the whole upstairs just smell like perfume. Even when I haven't sprayed any perfume, it just smells beautiful. So I definitely do recommend hanging your clothes instead of using the tumble dryer, because I tried to get so many different products to make the clothes smell really perfumed, because I really do love a good fragrance, but whenever I use the tumble dryer it seemed to just get rid of the fragrance straight away. So this is definitely one way to keep your clothes smelling like they have got perfume on them. Even when they don't, they smell absolutely beautiful. And once that's all done, it is now time for the dreaded bedding. And I love having clean, fresh sheets. I love getting into a freshly made bed at the end of the day, but I hate making the bed. It really does tire me out. It's like running a marathon for me. I'm just obviously not as fit as I should be because making the bed literally ruins me. So I'm just going to crack on with it. Hopefully it doesn't take me too long and I can finally get this room looking more put together and nice and cozy for this evening. Thank you so much for watching today's all day clean with me. I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. If it did give you the motivation, don't forget to subscribe for lots more to come every single week, and also leave this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you back here in the next one.